I'm confused. Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, guys? I'm back again, but today or right now we're gonna get into this palette called Snatch, and it is by Glogirl Cosmetics. If you guys remember, I did do a video on Glogirl's Cosmetics lipsticks and their actual glow lighter, so make sure you guys do check that out. I try and link that in the description box. But yes, today the palette that we're talking about and getting our first impressions and everything on is called the Snatched palette. Now this is what the palette looks like, if I can get it open, and it does come with a mirror, and these beauties are the beautiful shades. Okay, now I don't know what kind of look I'm going to be doing, but I'm just going to do the eyeshadow, and I think I might use one of these shimmer shades as the actual highlighter. And so yeah, we're just going to do the eyeshadow together. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to show you guys the finished result, and then add the glow shade or the shiny shade as the highlighter. So let's just get right into it. Now I really hope that you guys can't hear that music, but somebody downstairs is having a party, so if you hear the music, please just ignore it. But I'm just gonna jump right into the video. I don't know what kind of look I'm doing, so just bear with me, and I'll be letting you guys know which shades I'm using as I'm using them. We're just gonna put this shade right in the crease area. Y'all know I'm a little rusty at the eyeshadow because I haven't done eyeshadow in so long, but okay, let's see how it turns out. But this color right here is really pretty, and first impressions when I touch the actual color on the palette, it's not super like powdery, and that's always a good thing, like, because a lot of eyeshadows you kind of have to like pat it, tap it, blow it, whatever, because you have a lot of extra fallout, which I'm not getting with this one. So it's lit. It's all in the crease. And for the people who always ask about my eyelashes, these are eyelash extensions. I don't wear strip lashes, so yeah, I do love eyelash extensions because you can just get up and go, do your makeup and go. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade here, this purpley shade, and I'm gonna add it in the, what is that, the outside corner. And just kind of bring it into the crease a little bit as well. Like I said, I don't know what kind of eye look I'm going for, so just bear with me. We're just gonna see where this goes. I'm just picking up colors. And my wig is a little crusty. I'm gonna take it off, so mind your beeswax. I'm gonna fix it before the video is up and over, but you know, the video isn't about hair today, so let's just not worry about that. Now that I added that, I'm gonna go back in with the orange shade and kind of just add like a little bit more, you know, a little something. As you can see, there's like a little teeny line right there of demarcation of where they, it's not called demarcation, but the little line, you need to blend that line out. And you see how we keep blending it, keep going away. Okay, I like this. This is giving me sunset vibes. I'm gonna add a little purple in there, this deep purple in there, make it do what it do. just in the outer corner. This is cute. I'm getting sunset vibes. Okay, sunset. A little bit more. And I'm gonna go in back with the brush with the original burgundy shade and try to blend that out a little bit so the purple is not just overpowering everything. And this is something like really simple and quick, like nothing too much, because I know everybody can't do cut creases and stuff like that. So this should be pretty easy because it's just like sunset vibes, period. Okay, so I think I want to go in, let me see, orangey shimmer shade, and I'm just gonna add it like on my eyelid. Oops. But just like in the beginning to give this some shimmer. And guys, I'm actually thinking about doing a little bit more makeup on my channel because you guys seem to enjoy it. So comment below some makeup products that you guys want me to try. Okay, so I added that to like about mid-eye, and what I'm actually gonna do is also add some in the very corner so I can get a little extra shine. And this is gonna be like just a full-on sunset looky. Then I'm going to go back in with the burgundies and purples and just make them a little darker, you know, in the crease area. Okay, boom, that's it. There we go. I'm finna go do the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna try this golden shade for a highlight, baby. All right guys, so I'm back. Okay, and we finna take this this golden little shade right here, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I'm finna take this little shiny joint and whoa. Okay. And use it as a highlight. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to overdo it. Oh, that's nice. That's real nice. Okay. Okay, glitter. Shimmer shade. You don't even gotta buy highlight with this palette. Get you the palette, got your eyeshadows. Oh, that's nice. I'm not gonna overdo it though. I'm gonna move it on. Gotta use the exclamation point. Oh, my chin, I forgot. Go ahead and show your chin. Hello. Boom. We in that thing. Glogirl Cosmetics. And what I tell y'all was called? Snatched. It's called Snatched. So you see right there, this palette got me snatched real quick, real nicely. I only used 5 shades to get this look. Okay. I'm gonna leave all of their information and their social medias and everything in the description box though. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little easy eyeshadow look. I told y'all I did something like, you know, something light, something easy, because you know everybody can't do cut creases and the halo eyes and all that stuff. So get you one. Yeah, that's basically it. Hope y'all liked it. Hope y'all was feeling it. You see how I covered up my crusty frontal. Mind your business. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all next one.
Mine, I bought it, it's mine. 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 I bought it.